How to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily enable or turn on the disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. But before beginning, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's get right into it. First thing first, you need to open up your Messenger app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here, you just have to navigate your way to the chat where you want to turn on your disappearing messages. So for example, if I want to turn on the disappearing messages on this chat right here, I'm just going to tap on it, and you have to make sure that your chat is end-to-end encrypted like that. And once this is done, what you need to do is scroll down until you see privacy and support, and from here tap on disappearing messages. And as you can see here, you can set it up to 24 hours. So what this will do is if you send any kind of messages when the disappearing messages is on, then all of your messages will be deleted after 24 hours. So that's how you easily turn on disappearing messages. I'm just going to show you once again. Tap on any chat, scroll down, and then tap on disappearing messages. Set it to 24 hours. And if you send anything to these people, the chat will be sent. As you can see right besides the message, there is a little timer where it shows how long the chat is going to stay in. And after this time, your chat will be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.